Subject matter: OSHA, scaffolding, comparative liability. An employee of a specialized petrochemical cleaning company was assigned to perform high-pressure washing inside an above-ground storage tank (AST) on the outskirts of Philadelphia. The task required the erection of 50-foot-tall scaffolding. The worker was equipped with personal protective equipment (PPE) and supplied air CBA system. The worker began applying high-pressured water and specialized chemicals to clear the interior walls. Upon completion of the desired section, the worker elected to attempt to move the scaffolding sitting down and pushing off the wall of the AST. The main issues of the case revolved around scaffold design, oversight, and comparative negligence. If you have any questions about this animation or our services, please contact us by phone or email.